Long before doing webinars, I did seminars. I did them all over the country for companies from Citibank to local mortgage bankers. And I always had a great line that I loved in the middle of my class. And I would say to them, how do you make the phone ring? So I'm asking you, how do you make the phone ring? Yeah, that's right. Yep. Oh yeah, that'll work. Yep. Okay. Sure. Call somebody. If you want the phone to ring, it rings on the other end. It may actually not be a ring with the smartphones being the way that they are, but if you want to be in touch with people, call them. Get in touch with them. I know how hard it is. Call reluctance is so difficult. Okay, I have a shortcut for call reluctance. Text them first by giving them an idea that helps them do more business. I have hundreds of phrases that you can use to send to people who you want to do business with, and all you have to do is send a text message to them, and they will appreciate the fact that you are helping them think more positive, think of ways that they haven't marketed their company, themselves. It's so easy. But you guys, you girls, you all struggle. You struggle with it. Call reluctance is still real. Call reluctance is easy to overcome. It's easy to get in touch with people and get the phone to ring. All you have to do is reach out to them. Have a great day.